Feathers for lunch.
By Lois Edit. Uh-oh, door's left open, just a crack. My cat is out and he won't come back. He's looking for lunch, something new. A spicy treat for today's menu. His food in a can is tame and mild. So he's gone out for something wild. He's snooping and sneaking. Those birds sure look good. If he could catch one, he'd eat it. He would. But when his bell jingles, birds call a loud warning. But cats can't fly, and they can't soar. And birds know what their wings are for. So he keeps prowling, hoping to munch. But all he catches are
Feathers for lunch.
feathers for lunch.
The end.
The end.
Oh.
Look at all those pretty birds.